This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the base. Apply a light oil where the lock meets your scalp to reduce friction and ease release. Once done, divide hair into 4 to 6 sections and secure with clips so you don't retangle. Next, focus at the ends, find the tied or crocheted knots, gently loosen with your fingers or a rat tail comb, and untwist a few wraps. Make sure to move methodically so you preserve your natural hair while you begin removing the butterfly locks. You should now take one lock at a time and hold the root firmly to avoid tugging the scalp. This protects the fragile new growth. Then, apply more oil along the shaft and use a wide-tooth comb or your fingers to coax the synthetic fibers away from your strands. Once done, if a crochet loop is present, unhook it or tease out the knot slowly, making small motions rather than yanking. Continue in sequence so you avoid tangles and keep hair intact. You finish by trimming any damaged ends and applying a nourishing deep conditioner for 20 to 30 minutes to restore moisture and slip. Once rinsed, gently detangle from the ends upward, using conditioner as needed. This prevents breakage. Make sure to air dry or use low heat. If something goes wrong, like stubborn tangles, add more conditioner, let it sit, and work patiently in small sections. Finally, monitor your scalp. If it's sore, give your hair a 2 to 3 day break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.